everyone. For our baby video today, we'll be talking about performatives. We're going to link performatives to animals today. Now, the reason why we like to do animals in our therapy sessions is because they are one of the easiest first words or first sounds to make. So, for example, things like an early developing sound, or things such as moo, that's an easy consonant vowel sound. So I'm going to start off today with two songs. One is linked to a horse, and another is linked to an elephant. And we're going to talk about the difference between fast and slow songs. So when you sing these songs, watch and see if there's a change in the way that your baby moves. Will your baby bounce quickly to the fast song and sway slowly to the slow song? And when your baby does that, your baby is indicating to you that she can identify difference in rate and rhythm. So our first song is linked to the horse, and don't know where my baby is today, so we're going to use my bunny. We're going to sing giddy up, horsey. So I'm going to say the sound first. Hey! We're going to sing a song about a horse. Look, it's a horse. Let's go. Put your baby on your knee and bounce your baby. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up, go, go, go. Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up, whoa, whoa, whoa. So gentle bouncing, or if your baby's a bit older, you can bounce them a bit more vigorously. Now at the end of the song, if you've done this song about 3 times, on the 4th instance, wait and see what baby will do. Will baby start to jump up and down to let you know that they'd like a bit more singing? Okay. My next song is a slow song linked to the elephant. So I'm going to introduce the sound again. That's a bit better. The elephant goes, let's sing. Heidi, Heidi ho, the great big elephant is so slow. Heidi, Heidi ho, the elephant is so slow. So similar to giddy up, do that song 3 times. The 4th time, wait to see if baby will start to sway side to side to request for more singing. I'll hand you over to Anja, who is going to sing Old MacDonald.
Thanks, Sarah. Those were 2 lovely songs. So another great way to target animal names and animal sounds is in the song Old MacDonald, which I'm sure you're all familiar with. This is a great song to be using because you get to model the names and the sounds in the same song. What you can do, you can implement the listening box as well. So you could have the animal in the listening box, make the sound, and then start singing the song. After you announce what the animal is called, you can take it out of the box. So that's a great way to get your baby listening before they're seeing the visual stimuli. Okay, so we're going to start with the Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, there a moo, here a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, moo. So really model those performative sounds. I guess what the goal with this is to familiarize your child with the animal and the sound as much as possible. So you'd repeat it maybe 3 times, and then on the 4th time, wait. So at the point where we say, and on that farm he had a, we stop, we look at baby to indicate that we're expecting baby to say something, And we hope that baby might make a noise or make a sound or try to say maybe even a moo you might get. So that pausing and that waiting is very important. So let's try with another animal, and we'll do the pausing as well. So, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a, you'd wait for baby to say sheep. This would be on the 4th time that you're doing the song. A sheep. E-I-E-I-O, with a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, ba. Yeah, so that's a great way that you can model those sounds and those animal names with your baby. You can even incorporate some water play in this with the song. So you could do with a splash here and a splash there. Maybe the sheep could be splashing through the water or drinking some water. So have fun with those farm animals and with the Old MacDonald song.
Thank you, Anja. Another activity is if you have puzzles at home. A lot of puzzles have farm animals in them. So I just have a very simple one, and it's lovely for their hand-eye coordination as well. It's hard to do when you're doing a video. There we go, hand-eye coordination, working on those fine motor skills and also working on listening to all those performative sounds. Now, in your therapy sessions, you might have heard your teacher or your speech pathologist talking about the learning to listen sound checklist. So I'll just show you what it looks like. And the reason why we like to talk about this learning to listen sound checklist is it gives you an idea of, there we go, a bit better. It gives you an idea of what sounds to make with what toys or objects that you have at home. Now this list was created to ensure that you are developing sounds across the speech frequency range. So it has low, mid and high sounds in here. So if you haven't yet received a copy of this, please ask your speech pathologist or your teacher, and they'll be more than happy to hand this to you. Thank you for listening today and have fun with your farm animal sounds this week.
Bye.
Goodbye.